Now that we did total resistance in series and in parallel, now we're going to go into the combinations connections. So that means you can connect resistors in series and parallel. So one simple example I'm going to give you now is that I have R1 here equal to 1 k ohms, R2 equal to 2 k ohm, R3 equal to 5 k ohms, and R4 equal to 500 ohms. Okay, and this is point A and point B, and I want to find R total looking, from the point A and point B, terminal AB. Okay, what I always tell my students is that you have to think that, okay, if you're looking, right, so let's say this is your eyes with the eyelashes. You're looking here, right, you are right here at the point at the terminal AB, and I want to combine them together to get R total where I am. So I would tell my students that you always look and you have to condense your resistor, from the further out into where you are. So therefore, in this case, in this circuit, you have to recognize that, well, these three resistors, R2, R3, and R4, are the same nodes. So therefore, they are connected in parallel. So therefore, R2 parallel R3 and parallel R4. Okay, and your circuit, when you combine all those three resistors, it will become like this, AB. So this is the R1 equal to 1 k ohms, and this is R2 parallel R3 parallel R4, which is equal to 1 over 2 k ohms plus 1 over 5 k ohms plus 1 over 500, which is equal to 370 ohms, or equal to 0.37 k ohms. Now you have this circuit. You have, combined the resistance, the three resistance, they are parallel. And when it comes to this circuit right here, you can imagine that if your current, right, coming from point A going point B, the current would flow through R1 and this 370 ohms here. So therefore, they would have the same current flowing through. So that means that they are connected in series. So therefore, at the end, your R total is equal to R1 plus this whole resistors, three resistors. So it will be 1 k ohms plus 0.37 k ohms. So therefore, your R total is equal to 1.37 k ohms. So you can finally write down that between terminal A and B, the total resistance is 1.37 k ohms. Okay, right. Okay, let's look at these connections of resistors. Right, as in the example, I have R1, right, equal to 1 k ohms right here, right, 0.97 k ohms. This was the same group, R2, R3, and R4, right, in parallel. And when we did it, the answer was 0.37 k ohms. So let's measure it. It should be 0.37. There you go. Okay. So now I'm going to connect this 1K to become series with these three resistors in parallel. And our calculated answer was that the value of R total is 1.37. So therefore, let's hope that it will be 1.37 k ohms. Okay. So point A is right here where my red probe is, and point B is right here. So therefore, 1.35 k ohms. Okay, so close enough. Okay. So therefore, it tells you that our theory and experiments coincide. Thank you.